It is Tuesday, the 27th of January. Not done a video for a couple of days. But it's Storm Chandra here at the moment. So the horses have been in all day. So I'm just up tonight. Rosie's stable there. Up tonight mucking her out because she's been in the stable all day. And giving her a wee leg stretch before she goes to her bed for the night. She's awfully cheeky. I think she thinks our field mates are in the field across there and they're not. Come on, Rosie. Come on. Come on. They're not out in the field. They're not in the field. Big cheeky girl. Let's go. It's a bit wild. Yeah, it's a bit wild and wet. Come on then, let's go. Let's go. Go on. Go on. Let's go. Oh, see when it's windy like this, I can't breathe. Oh. So sorry for all the puffing and blowing on my video. Come on, missies, I don't want you running away up that other end of that arena. Let's get you back in. He's a good girl. Let's get you back in your stable. Let's go.